These products can also be used in traditional manufacturing facilities. Our low voltage cable can be run underground into the building switchgear, into motor control centers and cabinets to control different processes along the manufacturing line. From there, cables can be installed in a combination of conduits and cable trays or cleated to the wall, depending on the cable. It should be noted that service wire products are for static applications only, where the cable is installed but does not move. Whereas flex applications require the cable to handle millions of cycles of repetitive bending and stress during use. These types of cables are used to control the robot arms in an automotive facility. Static applications account for 80% of a facility's total installation, so there's plenty of opportunity to capture business with service wire. We've installed XHW-2 underground and in concrete in both traditional and EV manufacturing facilities. We've done armored cable in place of conduit and jacketed type MC cleated to the wall. Our tray cable even allows us to go from conduit to cable tray and then drop down to a